Okay, so for like the last 5 days, I've been experimenting using like a still art image and filling it up on a screen like this, making the length of it 10 minutes long and popping a couple together and uploading them onto my YouTube channel to see how they go, using them like as a landscape art frame. They seem to be going quite well. So I'm going to show you what I do to create them. So I go down and I find the Magic Media app. You might need to search it, but I already have it saved in here. But if you do Magic Media, it should come up. Okay, you just are going to type your prompts in this little box here and then go down to generate image. Okay, make sure you have it set to what size you want it. So, because I'm lazy, I will go to ChatGPT and ask it for a prompt. Can you give me a prompt for my YouTube still images? Need to create another video. I would like an arty type flower field inspired. Let's see what it comes up with. ChatGPT writes a lot. I'm going to ask them to condense it down to 10 to 15 words. Because otherwise it does not fit. Dreamy flower field with vibrant wildflowers, soft brush strokes and a warm sunset backdrop. Let's try that and see what we can generate. Gonna hit, so we've got landscape, hit generate image, see what we come up with. Okay, so this is the type of thing that I'm wanting. So then what we're going to do is we're going to pop it into our YouTube video chapter, and I always just set it as background. Ooh, do I like this one better? I like this one better. Okay, so then we want to create another one. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create something slightly different. Brilliant. Can you give me another prompt with the same vibe? Ooh, sunlit meadow with soft pastel flowers. Okay, let's see if we can get something a little bit different. Generate again. While that's generating, I'm going to head down here and I'm going to take this right along to 10 minutes. Because I want each of my images to be about 10 minutes long. Ooh, it is done well. Okay, 10 minutes. Click on to the next one and let's have a look at this. Ooh, I like that. I also want to pop a transition in so you can dissolve to the next one. Just make sure that's still at 10 minutes. Yep. Go along a little bit, click on to the next one. Okay. You are doing great. Can you give me one more prompt? Okay, let's pop this one in. See what we can get this time. Okay, so this one's set at 10 minutes. Let's one we need to pop a transition in just to dissolve. Head back over to here and let's have a look. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's so hard to choose. This one's very similar to the first one. Is it? I think I like this one the best. So let's do that. Okay, so for this one, we're just going to do 3 images. Okay, so now you're going to click back on this 10-minute one. You're going to go up here, edit the timing, and apply to all 3 pages. And it should do that. Okay, now you've got a 30-minute video. So you're just going to download this. So we've downloaded it. Now we want to create the title, the description, and the tags. I'm going to cut and paste another one that is given me previously just to remind it. You do a similar format, this one, for the prompts that you just, okay, post it in, and it generates it for you, so you don't even need to think about it. Okay, so we're going to take this title. I'm going to open up and create. Select your file. Popped your title in there. Now let's go do the description. Okay, now I also want it to generate the tags for me. So I'm going to ask it to do that, but I don't want any hashtags or the pound symbol in them. So I'm going to ask it to do it in a paragraph form separated by commas. Then I can just easily cut and paste. Saves a lot of time. See what they come up with. It is so fast. Okay, perfect. So I'm just gonna copy them and just go and select our playlist. It's not made for kids. Allow automatic chapters. Okay, I also just want to chuck in some tags in here as well. Okay, and then you don't even need to create a thumbnail for this, because if people want to watch it, they'll watch it. You can go ahead and do that, but I'm just going to wait for the auto-generated one. Then I'm going to upload that, and boom, we're done. And as you'll be able to see on my channel, I have uploaded the video and is doing really well. This is just one of the many videos that I've created over the last week, and I'm having a lot of success with them. People seem to love the still art images just sitting on their screen. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you've learned something new. Have a great day.